Good afternoon. Na ko sa Calgary Airport. Going na ko sa LA. Kaduka.
Question flight 1024 to Los Angeles is still looking for Miss Addison Soloy. Once again, Addison Soloy, please come see us here at gate E71 with your printed boarding pass.
Solo.
Also for passport verification, we are looking for Daval Patel. Daval Patel, please come see us here at gate E71 for passport verification. Once again, last name Patel and Soloy.
Zone 4.
Good evening. It is our pleasure to welcome you to WestJet Flight 1024 to Los Angeles.
10.
Bonsoir. Il nous fait plaisir de vous accueillir sur le vol WestJet 1024
Hi,
à
Dallas.
destination de Los Angeles.
Wadyo ta nagkita, day. West 10 to 4 A71 10B. Waiting for my flight going to Los Angeles, California. Tia, bye bye for now, Tia Bell. See you soon again. Nasa airport na ko.
We would like to remind you that you will be required to present a valid passport along with your boarding pass. We request that all guests, including children, hold their own ID and boarding pass during boarding.
Nous aimerions vous rappeler que vous devrez présenter un passeport valide pour monter à bord de l'avion, ainsi que votre carte d'embarquement. Nous demandons à tous les invités, y compris les enfants, de présenter leur propre pièce d'identité et leur carte d'embarquement lors de l'embarquement.
Hi ma'am, wadyo ta nagkita. Sagdi lang, sunod na lang pohon. Naana ko diri ma'am sa kuan Calgary
If your
Airport.
boarding pass indicates that you are not permitted a carry-on bag, you may board with one personal item only. All other guests may board with one personal item and one carry-on bag. Your personal item must fit and be stowed under the seat in front of you. Duty-free purchases and electronic devices
Waiting
must
for
be
your flight.
inside
Yes ma'am, I'm
either your
waiting for my
carry-on
flight
bag or
going
your
to
personal
Los
item
Angeles,
before boarding.
California.
Please take advantage of our sizing device
7:30
to
akong
ensure
kuan.
your items can be accommodated on board the
Boarding.
aircraft. If you have items that do not fit in the sizing device or more items than permitted, please come to the counter and an agent will help you check your bag.
Kumusta na ka ma'am? Okay na ka? Wala na kahilanti?
WestJet Flight 1024 to Los Angeles is now ready for pre-boarding. Should you require assistance, Please make yourself known to our
Boarding
customer
na ko.
service agents.
Ready for boarding.
Le vol WestJet A02
Salamat, ma'am.
à destination de Los Angeles est maintenant prêt pour le pré-embarquement. Si vous avez besoin d'aide, avisez les agents du service à la clientèle.
I'm okay duty ko og Marlboro. May noon ma'am okay na ka. Na-worry ba ako nimo? Ito rami nangaon mi ganina. Nagisgot mi
Question
nimo.
flight 1024 to Los Angeles is looking for Reynaldo and Betty Catibog, Tabika Firstly, and also Nicanor Spadrilejos. Please come
Ready for
boarding.
boarding,
Everyone for pre-boarding. Thank you.
Ay, take pag-boarding namin. Ay, nako. A71. Hi Kyle, thank you. Boarding na ko. Excuse me, LA po tayo?
Flight
Diba? A71, right?
to Los Angeles is pleased to welcome our Platinum WestJet Rewards members and those guests seated in Zone 1 to board now or at their convenience.
Zone 1. Ano ba ko?
Le vol WestJet
Zone
A024
4.
à destination de Los Angeles est heureux d'accueillir nos membres récompense WestJet Platine ainsi que les invités assis dans la zone 1 pour un embarquement immédiat ou à leur convenance.
Oh.
WestJet Flight 1024 to Los Angeles is pleased to welcome our Platinum WestJet Rewards members and those guests seated in Zone 1 to board now or at their convenience.
Le vol WestJet A024 à destination de Los Angeles est heureux d'accueillir nos membres récompense WestJet Platine ainsi que les invités assis dans la zone 1 pour un embarquement immédiat ou à leur convenance.
Manang Mercy, kumusta? Asa man ka paingon mo?
To Los Angeles is pleased
LA
to
nang.
welcome Gold and Silver WestJet Rewards members and guests seated in Zone 2 to board.
Los Angeles, California.
Le vol WestJet
Boarding
A024
na ko.
à destination de Los Angeles aimerait accueillir les membres de récompense WestJet des niveaux or et argent et les invités assis dans la zone 2 à monter à bord.
Uban na ko be. Apas nang. Asa man ka karon? Nakas kamigin. Ibrahim. Wait, amping kanunay day na ako bukid nun. Nagunsa mo kag bukid nun? Asa ka sa bukid nun nang? Kisa may imong gianhaan sa bukid nun.
1024 to Los Angeles is now ready to welcome guests traveling with children under the age of 5 or pets in the cabin, guests who require additional time to board, and guests seated in the emergency exit row 11.
Le vol WestJet A024 à destination de Los Angeles est maintenant prêt à accueillir les invités qui voyagent avec des enfants de moins de 5 ans ou avec un animal de compagnie dans la cabine, les invités qui ont besoin d'un peu plus de temps pour l'embarquement et les invités dont le siège se trouve dans la rangée de l'issue de secours 11.
Ang nga dani sa imo pagmangkon kato babae.
1024 to Los Angeles would like to welcome
Manolo.
guests seated in zone 3 to board.
Duol ra mo sa Kadingilan. Nakoy amiga das Kadingilan pero minti ko diha.
À destination de Los Angeles aimerait accueillir les invités assis dans la zone 3 à monter à bord.
LA? LA? Zone 4, yeah. So we're in the last row. Until zone 4 only, right? Only zone 4? Maybe 4 only. Yeah. Zone 2 pa na siya, di pang tawag. Ako ka zone 4. So maybe pang last siguro ko. Then last but not the least. Ay, mga bata, cute kayo.
WestJet Flight 1024 to Los Angeles would like to welcome guests seated in Zone 4 to board.
Hey, zone
Le
4 na
vol
po.
WestJet A024 à destination de Los Angeles aimerait accueillir les invités assis dans la zone 4 à monter à bord.
Zone 4. Bye-bye na, boarding na ko.